Hey guys, Kaden here and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for the love and support. I really appreciate it. Guys, if you're new, please just go ahead, hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up and leave all your comments. If you want to see how I take this here from black to I would say burgundy / wine red, then just keep on watching. Guys, as I showed previously, I have my quick blue and my volume 40 developer along with the 20. I have my mixing bowl and brush, and most importantly I have my gloves. So now I'm going to go ahead and part the hair in sections so that it's easier to work with, and then I'm going to go ahead and mix my mixture together, and I'm going to mix it like in a kind of watery paste, not too thick, not too watery. As you can see, I don't use like a measurement. I just go ahead and add the powder and then add the liquid until it's to my desired preference. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the mixture to the hair, and I'm going to start from the back up to the front, and I'm going to try to work as fast as possible. Now when I'm dyeing here I like to use black hair instead of using like the straight blonde hair, because when you use like a black hair and then you have to lift it, that's where you get your highlights and your lowlights, meaning that some will be darker, some will be brighter, and I like that better than just one color. See why I say you have to try and work as fast as possible, because as you can see the back is already lifting and I'm not yet done with the front, so I have to be working fast. So I went ahead and used a 40 volume developer on the front so the front can lift faster than if I use a weaker developer like the 20. So as you can see, look at the front, it's lifting almost the same as the back. That side this side now I just got finished with it. So I'm going to go ahead now and rinse it out, and I'll see you guys. So this is what it looks like after rinsing the product out of the hair, and look at it. You can see the highlights, the lowlights, you can see some blondes, some chocolate brown, some onion blonde, all different type of blonde going on right there. So to get the red color that I want, I'm going to use the watercolor method, and I'm going to use these 3 Adore dyes, which is the crimson, intense red, and ruby red, and I'm going to mix all those 3 together in some cold water. I'm not using any warm water because I don't want to disrupt the curls, because this is a curly wig, so I'm going to go in with use cold water. So if you're Jamaican, you'll say, oh, this looks like sorrel. Yes, it does. That's the color I'm looking for. So I'm just gonna go ahead now and dip the entire wig into this colored water, and then ensure that all the wig is covered. And I'm going to show you how it looks after a couple seconds, not even a minute, just a couple seconds, and the wig is already changed. So look at that. This method saves you time and money because you use less dye and it takes less time. So I'm going to just go ahead, put it in, lift it up to see how it looks, and then leave it again. And as you can see, the wig just sucks up all the color from the water. So you can see the difference in color with the water from when I started to when I finished. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and wash the wig out. So I'm going to use a moisture-rich conditioner and also continue using cold water because it's a curly wig. With curly wig, you must always use cold water instead of warm water because you don't want to disrupt the curl, as I said earlier. So I'm just gonna go ahead, detangle. So I'm working my way up, so I'm starting from the ends going up to the roots. So as you can see, I will not get like a lot of shedding, but I did get some shedding from detangling. But the wig looks pretty good. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and rinse the wig out. So one thing to ensure whenever you're rinsing your bundles, your wigs, whatever, after bleaching and dyeing or just dyeing, ensure that the water is clear when you're done rinsing. So the water must run clear. It must not run foggy or anything. It must be clear. And here you have it. This is the final look. As you can see, there's some highlights and lowlights. Some is bright, some is dark, which is perfecto. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please don't forget to go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. Also share this video and leave all your comments. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Bye. Mwah.